Hello everyone, my name is Ananda Roshi and today I will talk about what to do when you are facing two different options and you need to choose between them. We can start with the easy choices like for what to eat for dinner. Will you eat pasta, pizza or salad? Or we can talk about questions what are more harder for us, like what to do with our emotional choice, with whom we will start relationship, or maybe if you want to break up with somebody, or if you need to choose between two jobs if they are offered, and so on. So first of all, we all have our spiritual heart. Inside of us, our heart have also intuition or have their own intelligence. So with our heart we can connect with universal heart, and in that way we can easily see what is the truth. It is always said that in our third eye we can see the truth, and in our heart we can feel it. So we will use this knowledge and use it to find out which path it is better for us. So this technique is very simple and everybody can do it. Even if you don't feel you have a strong intuition, or if you feel that you cannot imagine easy, you will see. Just try and see. First, imagine like two balls, two round balls like of the soap, transparent, two of them, and in one of these round balls put like a movie, one of your choices. For example, if you're choosing between two men you want to date, two men you want to start relationship, or two women, or today is very modern to have a woman or man, so you choose. So imagine two balls of light in front of you, like a half of meter in front of you, and then in the first ball of light, that ball should be very transparent like a soap, and then imagine inside one of your options. And imagining very vivid, try to put as many details as you can. You imagine like you are dating that person, what you will do with that person. Imagine very strongly how that person looks and whatever you would like to do with that person. And then in another ball of light, imagine the other person what you are considered to dating. Then imagine what you will do with that person, how that person look, and like I said, as many details possible. The best thing is that you're doing with your eyes closed, because when we close our eyes, our power of concentration grows. So close your eyes and then imagine what is the smell of that person. Is it the day or is it night? Where is the place of your what you choose to imagine? Is it the day or night? What time of the year is it? What you are doing, and so on. So many details put in this light, in the ball of light. And then when you feel that you have put every detail in the first imagined light of a ball of light, and in the second one, when you feel that you are over, that this energy is very full, then start to breathe very peacefully 3 times. 3. Slowly inhale, slowly exhale, and then first ball of light, take with your breath in, and when you breathe out, put in your heart. That looks like this. Breathing full this ball of light with all what is inside, and when I exhale, I slowly put in my heart. And then listen what you are feeling. What type of energy you feel then inside? Is it warm? Does it expand the energy? Or it freeze, it is cold, or it is stationary, it is stays, or it maybe you get a feeling like it is frozen and it is getting smaller or bigger. Then with exhale, put it out and then let it stay. Then concentrate on another ball of light and everything what you imagine inside of that ball, and then inhale, exhale slowly, put here in your spiritual heart, and then try to feel what is happening here. Does this energy is expanding? Does the energy is warming you? Or it is energy getting smaller, or maybe stay the same, or maybe it's cold. When you get the clear feeling of that, then inhale, take it, exhale, put it in front of you. So you will see, you will get very, very different feeling from first and from the second. If you feel that the energy of this light ball, what you have put inside, is making you feel warm or expanding, that means your soul, your heart, who is connected with the universal heart, with the all-knowing intelligence, that means the answer is yes, that's good for you. And if you get the energy like cold, or it is like not moving, or maybe getting smaller, that is for sure the sign that this is not good for you. So I hope this advice will help you for choosing correctly what is good for your future between two options. You can do this technique with everything. If you need to choose on which school your child need to go, put in it two different options. If you need to choose which job you need to take, also put two different options. So every time when you're facing some difficulty with choosing, use this technique, and then our heart is connected to the universal heart, and this is what we call intuition, and that can never get wrong. You will never get the wrong answer. So hope this will help. Sending you my love. Till soon. Bye bye.